GJD how GLV.
Tapon mo ulit.
Okay na.
So I have one here again.
Hold this. Huh?
Gonna bring it down there and then bring it slow. Look, I'll show you.
What happens if it hits me?
Look at it. Go.
Throw it from the wing.
Sige lang, go. Natulog talaga. Wala nang ano to.
Festival.
Wala nang tulugan dito.
Hi, Mig.
Hello. Hello everyone.
Ethan.
Hello.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Woodbank at ang daming tao. Tignan natin kung anong nangyayari dito ngayon sa Woodbank Park.
Oh yeah, it's some run.
Run.
First time natin nakitang ganito karaming tao ngayon, June. Dami nakapark.
Daming tao. May event ata.
May event yata.
Pero a few weeks from now,
may ice cream
merong
van doon. Wala tayong coins.
may perya dito in a few weeks.
Pinupuntahan natin na hopefully yung period, June.
Pupunta. Dala sa lang upuan.
Ano masasabi mo, June?
Hindi, wala to. Ayoko dito. Naingay.
Eto, buong pamilya.
Pamilya. Dala nila.
Ang dami. Siguro may magaganda magpe-perform ngayong gabi ni kasi mas maraming tao eh.
Special guest.
Yeah.
Daming tao talaga.
Sa tingin ko ni kasi
Dala
mas
na
marami
nila.
ng tao eh. Oh.
Dala na nila yung mga gamit nila eh. Oh. Pero magkano yan, no?
Malaki naman kasi pera ilan na sila.
Kaya lang, make sure.
Tapon,
Ethan,
Ethan?
hawakan mo na.
Ikaw.
I'll record it,
Hawakan mo
G.
na. Hindi na.
Ano tapon? Oh. Okay.
Hawakan mo. Hindi,
Yeah,
on
we need
pa
to
eh.
set-
Not yet.
Oh no!
Time battery.
Not yet, Ethan.
Wag mo ganyanin. Pag nasira yan, ikaw magbabayad siya. Ethan, don't do that.
Sasakay na raw siya, Miguel.
That's not going
Hindi, nasasakay na raw siya, Miguel.
You can't take that out of my video.
Hindi, tatanggalin ko siyempre. Gusto mo ma-demonetize ako.
Stop recording and start again.
Hindi na.
Dad, stop.
O, di ba? 1, 2, 3.
Wait, hold that button down.
Hold the button down.
Yan na, Ethan.
Oh, tapos.
Stop, let go.
Stop. Ayun na, nag-blue.
Yan na, Ethan.
Tan!
You,
You have to run.
not yet.
It said it's exploding in
No,
5
you have to
seconds.
run.
Tan! Hindi nakakatawa eh.
Run ka, dali.
Bro, it's farting.
Hindi nakakatawa eh. Huwag mo sabihin may makarinig sa'yo.
Look, the engine's on.
Ethan.
The engine's on.
Oh no, I see you.
Ano na.
Wait, not yet.
Yan, run ka na, run.
Mahangin ah. You have to consider your wind.
Alright.
You don't have to run.
Yeah, of course.
No, you hold the wing.
Wing. Babato mo.
Yan,
Hindi,
oh.
ganyan. Ano?
Yeah. Hold on.
Ay, parang boomerang. No. Bato mo lang ng maganda. Huwag mong bato ng ano.
Pag ano, dapat
Yan,
Because
ganyan.
the propeller's gonna hit your head.
No.
Yan.
Di, hawakan mo doon. Ilagay mo yung finger mo dito para meron kang force yan.
Then what?
Babato. Pag mamaya sasabihin niya sa'yo.
Watch out for the propeller though.
Oh, bahala na siya dyan.
Oh, you have to run.
Oh, it's gonna hit your head.
Tan.
It's gonna hit your head. Alright, are you ready?
Tan, come back.
No, it's gonna hit your head, Ethan.
How do I...
Oh, hawakan mo. Hindi, hawakan mo yung bag.
Oh, here.
So,
Punta sa atin dahil pa yung hangin.
We fly in G!
Alright, doing it itself.
So let's see the
Ayun na.
procedure.
Nakatakot naman nun, Miguel. Ano lang yan? Mig, baba mo na konti.
Baka sabihin, ano na yan, sasakay na yung mga passengers
Meg, baba
na
mo.
Miguel sa Manchester Airport.
Miguel, baba mo. Turn it. Ano, bumabalik?
Where are we? There we are.
Yan, straight. Papunta sa atin yan. Mag-left ka ng konti. Left, yan. Left. Yan. Ano, nakakontrol mo?
Yeah.
Baba ka ng konti. Calm down. No, taas ka ng konti. Right
I
ka
can
ng
see it,
konti.
I can
Right.
see it. I'm just gonna do it by eye. It's easy by eye.
Nagre-record?
Press record.
Ha? Press record. Ayun.
I'm just gonna do it by eye.
Sige. Daanan mo tayo.
Here's slow mo.
Tignan natin. Ilang oras yung battery?
What percent is it on?
Teka, hindi ka makita. Ang dilim.
33. No, 93.
93.
Go
You have to consider yung... Hindi pa ba tapos flyby ka sa atin? Pag ano na pa right? Hindi mo ba kita?
It's hard. It's narrow.
Kaya pala may goggles, no?
No, oh.
May ganyan
Wait.
nagbubabol. Ina-touch mo ng tama yung wing?
Yeah. So,
Baba ka konti. Baba ka. Calm down. Mig, baba. Malayo ka masyado.
Let me fly. Let me fly.
you wanna fly?
Okay.
No, you have to bring it down. Punta ka doon, tapos bumalik ka. Pero baba ka ng konti. Yan.
Slow
Sakit sa
down.
mata, no? Yan, baba ka konti. Baba. Baba pa. Yan, level mo. Baba pa.
This is slow as it gets.
No! Ang taas! Miguel! Sabi ko dito! Ang taas, Miguel! Miguel! Seriously!
You have to go for a bit.
No.
Full time. What's gonna happen now, guys? What's gonna happen? Nandun nag-landing. Nag-landing. Puro pa naman netas ito. Ala. Kargahin natin si Miguel. June, kargahin natin si Miguel. Kargahin mo si Miguel. Maabot niya yan. Magkano nga yan? 300. Nasa bush lang. Ay, ano binitwit mo, Ethan? Twigs! Oh my God!
I'll get it.
Ayan si Ethan. Kargahin mo nga si Miguel, yun ang pinaka-best. Kargahin mo siya, June. Yun!
Hover. No. Akit ka ulit. Bring it up. Bring it up. Bumalik ka ulit.
Like that.
Bring it up. Dito ka ulit. Bumalik ka ulit dito. Bumalik ka dito. Up. Yan. Balik ka ulit dito. Balik ka ulit. Yan. Tapos hover ka. Tapos taas mo. Yan. Taas mo. Nakakata. Ayoko na.
I'll press home this time.
Ano naman yung home?
Try home.
Nakatakot naman to, Miguel.
Stick it together.
Ah, yung wing.
Okay, ready. Go.
Bira na yan, Miguel. It's not funny. Okay. Ha?
Go, go, go. Smash it into me. Go.
Miguel, Ethan, masakit yan, no? Sarano ka talaga.
Oh, Dad, it's suffering.
Oh.
So if I turn it.
Oh, sige, turn mo. Tapos hover mo, no? Yan.
Home, home, home.
Taas ka konti. Yan, baba na. Tapos hover. Hover. Yan, yan, yan. Ah, mataas ka masyado. Balik ka ulit. Ikot ka ulit. Ikot ka ulit.
The trees, bro.
Taas, Miguel. Taas.
I am.
Ah, balik ka ulit. Bumunta ka ulit doon. Nakatakot pali pa rin yan.
Land
Press
right
home.
here.
I'll press home.
No.
Because it doesn't wanna.
Home, home. Press open. Yeah, go.
Ah, sige.
Returning to home.
No, no, no. Cancel it. May control ka? Balik mo ulit. Yan, umikot ka. Right. Right ka
Crash
ng
it
konti.
right here. Crash
Yan,
it.
yan. Right pa. Isa pa. Tapos down. Masyado ka mataas. Ikot ka ulit. Ang hirap ng airplane, no?
Yeah, I don't know how people do it.
That's
I'll bring it far away, then straight towards.
Straight down. Yeah.
Then we finish.
Magkano no? May ano eh. Yan. Muna. Yan. Yan, yan. O, baba ka na. Come down. Yan. O, right ka pa ng konti. Right ka ng konti. Right.
No, I'm gonna bring it down.
Ah! Mig! Sa puno. Ayun. That's okay. That's okay. May aso.
It's going faster when you pull it down.
Ano?
From walking from here to
Ayoko nitong drone na to.
Do you rate it?
Ha? Rated
watching
0.
Miguel,
0.
tinamay kami mo puro ka na ito.
Mood. No, no, it's okay.
No,
Finish
because
it.
we need to put that in.
Oh, nahulog.
Ah, sige. Oh, Meg. Ano, successful ba ang lipad natin ito? Itong parrot na to?
Oh no! You saw it.
No, eh.
You saw the videos.
Sige, i-attach natin yung video dito after ng ano. At papakita natin kung ano yung nangyari.
You saw the videos.
Yeah.
Straight
It
to the
flew.
trees.
I know. Scary. Hindi ko na video yun eh. Sayang. Pero advice namin, huwag kayong bibili nito kung hindi kayo trained to fly.
Well, even if you're trained, I don't think you can fly this.
No, very unstable, no? Pero it was fun. Was it fun? I think fun in some ways. And
It's
dangerous.
fun if you're not flying it.
I know. It's dangerous.
It's fun to
Tingnan
run
mo.
away from it.
Ano, touch mo lang yan eh.
And that.
Pero isipin mo, it's
how
flying. How fast was it when it's flying?
Well,
No, coming down.
it looked pretty fast.
I think it's about 30 miles per hour.
I'm trying to slow it down, it just
Oh.
goes faster.
Pero to pag tumama sa'yo to, no? It will hurt. I
Let me
bet
put
you will
it
hurt.
together.
Yan, ang laki
See how
eh.
big it is.
Yan, sige, tayo ka. Tignan natin kung ano ito. Yan, ang laki. Ang taas.
And this flies towards you.
Grabe mo. Oh, no! Grabe kami. Sige. At maraming salamat sa panonood. Thank you ulit.
Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.